Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Do you want to turn your voice into text within a second without writing a single line of any code? Yes, whatever you heard is right. Today we try to discuss how to convert a speech into text in N8N platform with OpenAI model that is nothing but a whisper. All these details we try to discuss today's video without further delay. Now let us jump into the session. We are in the N8N workflow. You can see my screen which is having the three node. The first one trigger node. When you click this one, this workflow can be started and execute. Second one, you see HTTP request or a node. Try to get the audio file from the web. The third node is the most important one, which will take the audio file and convert into the text file by using the RESTful, that is nothing but the OpenAI endpoint, where we try to specify the OpenAI API key. All these things we try to see. Before that, we try to cover some of the information. Entering into the openai.com/API, where you can see a documentation will be there. When you click this one, we try to enter into the docs. In the docs overview, you can select audio and speech. So this is the main important page we try to refer. So build with audio. We are heading to build voice agents. Before that, we are in the stage of a transcribe audio, which convert the speech to text instantly and accurately. The opposite one is here. If you can come down, all the things related to this model, the information is provided. You can see speech to text. Here for speech to text, use audio API. You can see audio/transcriptions endpoint. So the models you are using GPT-4o transcribe, GPT-4o mini transcribe, and Whisper 1. So we are using the Whisper 1. So all these details we try to see it in the code. So this is nothing but when you click, it will try to open it and it will try to execute. The first one will be the HTTP request. So first I need to get one audio file. I am using the method. You can see HTTP request. You can give getting audio file from. So like this, you can give a meaningful name what operation it does. So this method is get, and this is the URL. You can see it is having 01.mp3 question and answer -01.mp3. So wherever your audio file is located in the internet, you can give the URL, and the file type we are choosing mp3. The authentication is none, query parameter is none, headers are none, body are none. But if you can come and see the response format is file, and output in field is data. Put output in field is data. So this much we have done. Let us move to the most important one in the video, is nothing speech to text. So if you can come over here, the method is post and URL is the endpoint. Everything will be start with API.openai.com v1. Whatever we got audio transcriptions, you can see it over here. This is the audio transcriptions. Moving over here, and authentication is none. Header is having authentication, that is nothing but your API key, and it will be proceeded with BARER and followed by your API key. And body, you can see palm data. You can see the model is Whisper 1. Parameter N8N binary file and data. So parameter type. So these are the things we have given in these two text node. Now it is the time to run the demo. You can run the test workflow or test workflow. You can see So this it got tick mark means it has run successfully, it has run successfully, it has run successfully. Now let us see how many people are there in your family. The answer is there are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister and me. Does your family live in a house or in an apartment? That is the second question. The answer is we live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. So, like this is the question and answer. From the speech, it has converted into the text. Now, here you can see this is a QA iPhone 01. If we can download, we can download it. It has successfully did with the QA 01. Now, let us move to the one. This is the one more use case we are doing, that is nothing but on form submission. Mean it will try to collect the audio file from your local computer and hand over audio to text node. So if you click on form submission, application is none, form title is speech to text, form description is speech to text, field name is data, element type is file, and multiple files, accepted file types .mp3. These are the things we have specified. And coming on to the second node, you can see the same thing we have specified. This node, that is nothing but on form submission. Now let us run this test workflow and it will try to open this one. Choose the file. I'm going on to the download. We have already downloaded this one. Submit and close this one. You can see the process is executed. Now click this one and same thing, it has been placed over here. If you feel that I have provided some value through this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you. Here it is a humble request. One like, your one comment, your one subscription will help a lot. Means it motivate me to generate the videos in this platform, and the YouTube will recommend this video to many other those who are seeking this information. Please do the needful and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye.